Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The US dollar weakened against most major currencies, moving in narrow ranges, as market participants consolidated gains racked up following Friday's better-than-expected US employment report and shifted their focus to pivotal US-China trade talks in London. Gold prices edged higher to start the week, supported by a weaker US dollar, as market participants kept a close eye on the ongoing US-China trade talks. US gold futures settled 0.2% higher. The S&P 500 ended slightly higher, lifted by Amazon and Alphabet, while investors watched US-China negotiations aimed at mending a trade dispute that has rattled financial markets for much of the year.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Gold prices edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.